My name is Vedran Tahir and I'm a technical analyst for BeInCrypto. So today we're going to talk about 1inch, which has the same ticker, which is a coin which I believe that might have completed this correction and could eventually begin it might have actually begun a new upward move, which will take it towards new highs. So this upward movement is not yet confirmed. However, at the current price, it still offers a very decent risk to reward ratio if that move actually transpires. So let's jump right into it. So at first glance, the price movement does not seem that bullish, but because 1inch is still trading below this main resistance area, which is at about 220, 230. Not sure if it's exact, probably closer to 230. So this area is intermittently acted as both support and resistance. So as you can see, it was resistance here, eventually turned to support. We had the deviation below it on July, again turned to support, again turned to support, and then the price broke down. So if 1inch manages to reclaim this resistance area, I would consider that the correction is definitely complete and 1inch will now head towards new highs. But now let's move on to why I think there are several bullish readings on 1inch. So the main one is this bullish divergence in the MACD signal line. So if you follow the previous videos, you know that I really like these divergences in the signal line of the MACD because they really don't happen often. So for 1inch, we have only had 3 divergences. The first was a bearish one and led to a 78% price decrease. The second was a bullish one and led to a 367% price increase. And now we finally have another bullish one right here. So I think that's a very bullish development. Also, the RSI has moved above 70 and it has bounced after reaching its lowest ever RSI value, which was during the January bottom. So indicators show that 1inch was extremely oversold and is now showing signs that preceded significant upward movements before. Also, while it's hard to actually decipher this resistance line because of all these wicks, it could be something like this, which would lead to a breakout for 1inch. Also, this entire movement here looks extremely choppy. So as you can see, especially this part, so this one right here, there's significant overlap, so it looks very corrective. So in my opinion, it is very possible that it is some sort of an ABC corrective structure. So, and also what I like here is that waves A and C have an exactly 1-to-1 ratio. And also the entire movement can be contained inside the descending parallel channel when we connect the lows and the highs. So to me, this just further supports the possibility that 1inch has completed its correction and will now move upwards. So considering that this was the previous upward movement, something like this, I'm not sure about the wave 4 here, but should be something like this, or maybe even this, doesn't really matter. Then in this case, we would expect a movement up towards a new all-time high. Even this might actually even have some time relation, even though corrections usually, okay, yeah, it did. So yeah, as you can see here, the correction was exactly 3 times as long as the, actually it should be twice as long, sorry, yeah, not 3. Yeah, this is twice as long, because yeah, the one is here. So if we just move this here, yeah, the correction was twice as long as the upward movement, further supporting the possibility that 1inch has completed its correction. Okay, everyone, so that was the video for today, and I will see you on next video. Bye.